Welcome to Prithviraj Trading Academy, Believer Traders Mission. We have today traded in Adani Ports and Havels, and I had posted some other charts for study purpose, and even I had posted a bank nifty rates also. Let's see those things, whatever happened, and we will start to go with our work. Okay, let me directly switch to charts and let's see. Okay, today I had posted in the group about this one. Okay, you can see a lot of reasons I had to short Adani ports. That is interesting to see that trend lines to be broken. That is happened, and 20-day moving average was 745, and 50-day moving average at 738. And very important added factor for a day to short this one, I had decided that price was going down. At the same time, I can see that delivery percentage and open interest is rising. The means of this one is whenever the delivery percentage is rising, okay, and the price is falling, okay, and even whenever the price is falling and even open interest is rising, that means that there is a bearishness is there. Their bearishness is pending out there. So this was the thing we had posted in the group. And let me switch to the live chart so that we can easily come to see what happens. Okay, let me share you the chart. Right. Yes. Okay. This one is a chart. Okay. And we had shorted at 750, so 49 below. The reason was that to entry early was that to the low of the yesterday was broken, and very heavy volume I can see in the morning. And so that was the reason that I had entered early and I had posted that I'm going to trade on this one. But I don't know, all those people were waiting for only for calls. I don't think so. But this is the idea, whatever I'm sharing that one. Okay, we had entered the low break that is at 750. That's psychologically on round number. That means round numbers and 750, 800, 700 kind of a thing. And it has started falling like hell. And I had given and I had uh, told that I'm going to book at 736 because we had already 750 to 736. We had 14 rupees. At the top, we had only 7 rupees a stop loss. That is the high of the day. So this was a logic here. Whatever I had planned was simply that, okay, the day candle I had just thought that the trend line is going to break, first number one. And second thing is that 740, we can see that this low has taken out, okay, the 50-day 20-day moving average, and it has reached almost 731. That is below the 50-day moving average, and we had booked here. And thereafter that market was weak, that Adani port was also weak, it has gone down. You can see that it has given one more chance here if you could have entered easily, but we have not entered that one once again, and as we had booked very good profit there. Okay, and we had given one more call that to short Havels. Okay, Havels, I had not posted any chart there, but I had given a call that to short Havels below 994, and we had entered at 994, and I had just posted that one. The reason was very simple, that I was seeing that this is heavily shorted. Okay, I can see this one is heavily shorted with a heavy volume down there, and continuously selling volumes were coming, and this was a low was broken. One point, and another point is that, okay, I had to wait till this area to break. If you switch to 30 minutes, and you can see that continuously this line was a supported factor, and that is why I had to wait for that amount of time. You can see that one. Okay, this one. Let's see. Yes, this one. This was I was expecting to break because it has taken a lot of time support there. So that is why I was expecting to break this line, and then only I can take a trade. Okay, let me switch to 5 minutes and draw the same line. It is going again and again. Okay, and I had given a call that I'm going to short on 994, putting a SL, strict SL at, okay, at 1000, that's psychologically important level and near to the VWAP. Okay, and sellers with spread very good amount of area for our safety as a SL. So we had nicely shot at 994, and I had given that we are going to book near 985 or nearby, and we are booked at 985. The reason was also very simple. Okay, by shorting at 994. Okay, and booking at here, that is 9 rupee, and we had a stop loss of 6 rupees. I had posted the same thing in my WhatsApp group before I took a trade. What was the reason that I had booked at 985 nearby? Okay, the if you again switch to 30 minutes, you can see easily. Okay, that was the place where the buyers were coming again and again. So that was the reason. Okay, had to book very fast. Okay, whenever the buyers are coming, then we are at the seller side, we have to book it. Okay, and one more I had posted in the group that Cipla to buy above 909 because of network issue. It was very late to entry 909, and it has went up to 920. And even I had said that book at 915 or 916 because the resistance, if you see at a 1 hour, that has to break. It a multi-day resistance were there, and you can see that this one. Okay, sellers were keep on adding their short positions. This were, and this is very heavy volume. You can see that these people will defend their position. That is why I said that to book here at 915, 916 nearby. If this, okay, breaks and if it sustains, then we could have seen a further rally, but it was not happened, and we have booked at 915. And one more thing I had to share you that, and I was sharing, okay, yes, M&M, very interesting fact here. Okay, right. M&M, if you can you see this one? I had seen this one. It was very important point of view to discuss with you. Can see that very big volume of buyers are here at this position, and candle is very narrow. Okay, candle is very narrow means the sellers were very critically and very heavily added their position of a sell position. That is why even though this kind of volume also not sustained at the upside, and what happened next, you can see that one. Okay, and after that result was this one. Okay, from 752 nearby, it has came up to 744. At the end of the day, it has closed at 740 nearby. This is how the volume spread analysis to be worked. And even I had posted a bank nifty trade. And what was the reason that I was considering to buy side only? But we have not taken a trade here because the position we wanted that very beautiful candle to stand like here, and after to break this one, then would have taken a buy trade. But it was not happened because the reason that 20-day moving average was continuously, it was supported, and it was a buyer zone. If you switch to 30 minutes, okay, you can easily say this was a buyer zone. And so again and again, this time this area was supported by the volumes. That was the reason that I was waiting this area to break, then take a trade, but it was not happened. And after that, we have seen a same thing in a different way. Okay, in the bank you can see that one. After that, we have again drawn fresh trend lines, and we have seen this. Yo, my God, we could have shorted this position here. Okay, if you could have seen in other ones, you can see that one. Okay, that was a blindfolded me today. That's why we are not taking any bank trade, but very happy that we have taken trades on Havels and Bank Nifty. So now Havels and what am I? Okay, sorry. Havels and okay, okay, and Cipla and M&M we are not taken, and we had taken only, yes, and Adani Ports, right? Adani Ports, Cipla, and Havels, only 3 trades we have taken. and we had a very wonderful day today. Not a wonderful day because Bank Nifty we have taken a trade. Okay, and I hope you understood logic here, whatever I'm using there. And one more important announcement that I'm going to take investment workout trade that is on mainly